Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to recover deleted emails from deleted folder. So let's start. Open your Outlook application and you can see in my inbox have 12 emails. So delete all this email first. So I select one email, then after that press the Ctrl A to select all emails, and you just press the delete key here also. And the second way, go to the folder tab. In cleanup group, click on the delete all. Okay. Here one dialog box is open. Move everything in this folder to your deleted items folder. Just click on yes and you can see your inbox emails is deleted. Now I go to the deleted items folders. Now in deleted item folder, select the email those you want to recover. So I select this email first and then press the shift control down arrow to select the emails. So I select these all emails here. Then right click of the mouse and click on the move and click on the inbox, and that's it. You can see in inbox the all emails is recovered from deleted folder. Okay. So this is a way you can easily recover emails from deleted folder in Outlook. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.